That's right, Tesla stock is confirming a very powerful bullish reversal structure. Well, another one, right? Because recently Tesla has triggered several bullish reversal patterns, indicating that the long-term bear market that began in November 2021 is officially over now. Oh, but could Tesla reverse this bullish sentiment? Well, yes, of course, but that would be extremely difficult, and I will explain why in this video, so stay with me, as you will find some interesting information here. Here where? Well, at the Finance Hydra channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nathan. I am a random Brazilian guy who likes to share his ideas here on YouTube. This is it, alright? So let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart. Here on the daily chart, we see that Tesla, since it found this dual support area above the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, and above the $237, which was the previous top level from November 2022, it seems we are bouncing from here. And in the lack of bearish structures, in the lack of top signals, it seems to me that Tesla is going to seek the next resistance level at $277. By the way, this weekend, Tesla is going to report numbers which are supposed to be very good numbers. So if Tesla wants to fly in one single bullish leg to the 277 again, well, that's our lead. That's our chance. Tesla could even break this resistance level over here on the daily chart. What is the problem over here? There is one problem with this thesis, because if we look at the S&P, the broad market, the S&P just found its resistance level over here. We don't see any top signal. I am not saying that the S&P is going to correct, the broad market could correct from here, but if we see a top signal in this area, just around the previous top level, just under a crystal clear resistance area over here, that would be our signal that, okay, we are gonna see a sharper correction, a sharper pullback on the broad market, and probably Tesla is going to drop as well after report numbers. You know what I say? Buy the rumors, sell the facts. Or buy the rumors and sell the news. I don't know how is this saying in English, but if this happens, that would be the perfect time to see the broad market correcting. In order to see Tesla going up, breaking the 277, resuming the bullish sentiment on the daily chart, mid-term speaking, we gotta see the main index over here, the S&P, breaking this resistance level as well, along with the Nasdaq index over here, which is still under the 15.2K resistance area, this black line up here, which was a previous top level on March 2022. So we gotta see the indices breaking their resistance levels as well in order to see Tesla materializing a strong bullish momentum over here on the daily chart. On the bright side, again, there is not a single top signal. Tesla is still very bullish. It is still bullish on the daily chart. We still see higher highs, higher lows. We just gotta break the previous high over here in order to confirm this bullish sentiment. While on the 1 hour chart, we see that Tesla is indeed reversing the trend as well. We finally did a crystal clear higher high, higher low, right? We did a bottom just above the 21 EMA over here, the exponential moving average. We found our support level, and then which was higher than the previous bottom over here, around $240. And right now, today, we broke the previous top level. This is another bullish confirmation signal, short-term speaking, on the 1 hour chart that yes, Tesla is turning bullish. It is bullish on the 1 hour chart. Short-term speaking, it is bullish on the daily chart, as I already showed to you guys, and it is bullish long-term speaking, which we're gonna talk about later in this video. So right now, we see that Tesla is confirming many bullish structures. And this movement over here could be even a buy signal if you are the kind of trader who likes to buy breakouts, because Tesla just did trigger a crystal clear bullish reversal structure. It is above the 21 EMA. It is now above the $260 area. So yes, Tesla right now is crystal clear bullish. However, if we lose this dual support area, in my humble opinion, Tesla will face some problems on the daily chart. Maybe it is going to lose momentum a little bit and we could see some correction on the daily chart. Now, to me, since I am a more aggressive trader, Tesla is a buy since $247 down here, and I gave you guys the buy signal on our Telegram channel. So if you want to have access to sophisticated intraday signals, just join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video, alright? But either way, Tesla is bullish, short-term speaking. We don't see any crystal clear bearish reversal structures. It is still above its support levels, indicating that the daily chart is supposed to retest its next resistance level at $277. But these are not the greatest news that I have to offer to you guys in this video. Now, the situation gets interesting, really interesting. So, if you are not my subscriber yet, consider subscribing, because you just watched the most boring part of this video. Now, this video will get really interesting. So, if you endured so far, go on, subscribe. You liked the content. So, just join our community. Click on the like button as well to support me. Now, Tesla found a top level just under the $262, a previous resistance area over here, a previous gap area. And it feels like we are struggling to break this resistance. If we see, Nathan, what if we see Tesla making a top signal, triggering a top signal on the weekly chart, reversing the trend on the daily chart by making a lower high, lower low, for instance, right? Let me change the color of this line to red so you guys can see better. What if we see a bearish reversal structure? What if we see Tesla making a lower high, lower low, losing the 21 EMA on the daily chart along with the $237, the previous top level over here? In this scenario, Tesla could easily correct to the $217 again, and this will not ruin the bullish momentum seen on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we did trigger a fantastic bullish flag on the weekly chart over here. We did an upwards breakout. We broke the $217, the previous top level over here. What's more, we see a classic golden cross pattern over here. The 5th period moving average broke the 200 period moving average upwards. That's the most famous and classic signal that we are in a bull market right now, even considering that Tesla could possibly trigger a pullback to the $217 again. If that's the case, well, that's just fine. In my humble opinion, it would be just an incredible opportunity to buy, because we are in a bull market right now. On the top of all of that, on the monthly chart, today is the last day of the month, is the last day of June, and we just triggered a classic bullish pivot point. We did a higher high, higher low. This bottom, it was higher than the previous bottom over here at $100, and this month we did a high, higher than the previous top at $217 on February this year. So yes, Tesla triggered the first bullish reversal structure on the monthly chart since November 2021. This is another fantastic indicator that yes, Tesla right now is bullish. It is in a bull market, long-term speaking. It is bullish, mid-term speaking. It is bullish, short-term speaking on the hourly chart. So we see bullish signals everywhere. Right now, in theory, it seems that Tesla is about to retest the next resistance level at $315 over here. In my humble opinion, we are going to retest the all-time high, but it is not going to be in a straight line. We are going to see pullbacks, we are going to see some corrections on our way, but long-term speaking, we are extremely bullish right now. We are confirming a bullish pivot point, another bullish signal on the top of all of the other bullish signals that I just described to you guys in this video. And this is why you should subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with high quality information every single day on Tesla and on other stocks. And of course, join our Telegram channel if you want to have access to exclusive premium signals on Tesla and on other stocks. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. I wish a great weekend to you all. Stay safe. See you guys next week.